Have you ever felt like life is just one big series of unfortunate events? Like you're the star of your own personal soap opera, but without the glamorous wardrobe? Yeah, we've all been there. But today, let's talk about flipping the script. Let's stop being the pessimistic protagonist and start being the hero of our own story. No more complaining. Instead, let's enjoy the ride, even if it's a bit bumpy. And remember, you're not starting from scratch, you're starting from experience. Meet Joe. Joe has a black belt in pessimism. If there were an Olympic sport for complaining, Joe would have more gold medals than Michael Phelps. But guess what? Complaining never got anyone anywhere, except maybe a starring role in a pity party. So, Joe, how about we trade that sigh for a smile and see what happens? Life can be a lot like a gym session. It's tough, it makes you sweat, and sometimes it downright hurts. But here's the twist. Pain is part of the process. It's a sign that you're growing, getting stronger. So, when life hands you a heavy weight, don't drop it and run. Lift it. Enjoy the burn. Because every rep, every struggle is building a stronger you. Remember that time you tried to make a fancy dish and ended up with something that looked like a science experiment gone wrong? Yeah, we all have those moments. But guess what? Each burnt dish is a lesson. You're not starting from scratch with every new attempt. You're starting from experience. And that experience is your secret ingredient for success. Rebuilding isn't just about putting the pieces back together. It's about doing it with a smile. It's about finding joy in the process, even when things go wrong. Because each mistake is just a plot twist in your story. So, put on your best DIY smile, grab those tools, and rebuild. Not from scratch, but from experience. And hey, if all else fails, there's always duct tape. Look at you now, Joe. You've gone from the king of complaints to the champion of cheer. Life didn't get any easier, but your attitude did. And that, my friend, makes all the difference. So, next time life throws you a curveball, don't complain. Laugh, enjoy the game, and rebuild yourself one joyful moment at a time. Because you're not starting from scratch. You're starting from experience. And that makes you unstoppable. So here's to you, to the new you, the one who sees challenges as opportunities, who turns pain into power, and who rebuilds with joy. Remember, every step you take is a step forward. Not from scratch, but from experience. Now go out there and live your story with a smile. If you like more of this motivational short story videos, please like and subscribe.